Therefore, ito ay pwede nating sabihin hindi pa ding altcoins. Alternative coin-wise, kung bumababa na ang Bitcoin dominance, ito ay potentially maging driver din ng perspective na ito ay altcoin na. However, you're going to notice na ang Bitcoin dominance ay somehow, yes, nagkaroon ng correction sa 56%, pero ang dominance is still within the 53% level. Ibig sabihin, for every $1 na meron sa global market cap, 50 cents niyan ay katumbas ay Bitcoin. For every $2, isa dyan, one out of the two is Bitcoin, which is telling us na Bitcoin dominance is still very strong. Ito ay still on an upward trajectory. Wala pa tayong nakikitang signs na pure mathematics, the Bitcoin dominance is down to another 38% or 40%. Tayo ay within a higher low trend or uptrend pa din. Merong secondary short-term downtrend, however, long-term ito ay